Understanding and mitigating operational risk in business. Operational risk is sit at the incursion of people, process, system, and external events. Let's manage it have reputation, trade profit, and endearment strategic goal. This presentation explains what the operational risk is, how to identify and measure it, and how to design resilient control and governance use your organization can or with confidence. Time assess practical framework, measurable metric, and tested mitigation strategies that align with attempted risk management and regulatory expectation. What is operational risk? Definition and key categories. Operational risk in the risk of loss resins fall educated or finite internal process, people, system, or from external events, unlike market or credit risk, in often diffuse and organized for everyday operation. People, human error, failure, included staffing, knowledge gaps, and culture failures that leads to incidents. Process, poorly designed or undocumented process, handful, legacy workload, and weak control. System, IT, ODS, software bugs, integration failures, and insulated cyber control. External events, supply chain disruption, regulatory change, natural disaster, and vendor failures. All category intertext, system failure and massive human error, weak process, increased final risk, effective management requires test interdepth positions. Identifying operational risk, tools and techniques. Identification is the foundational of risk reduction. Use a mix of qualitative and quantitative technique of capture known and emerging risks to access the organization. Works and process mapping, cross-foundational works uncover failure points, decision handful, and implicit association maps end-to-end process to reveal hidden dependencies, control testing and internal audit, regulation testing, validate control, decision and operational effectiveness, finding fates, remediation, fault and control liberations, indicate and loss data analysis historical indicates near misses and loss to detect recurring times and priority process. Tier 30 and scenario analysis, vendor assessment, and forward-looking scenario, including flash testing, reveal supply chain, and catastrophic rise. Complement human-led methods with ultimate monitoring, system log, expansion reports to detect synergy early. Quantifying operational risk, measurement approaches. Measurement or qualitative consists to include metric, use multiple approaches to capture efficiency, safety, and tolerance no signal method supplies. Key risk indicator, leading metric, e.g. system downtime, horse mileage transaction will define threshold and allocation triggers. Loss distribution analysis. Aggregated internal loss data to model frequency and safely identify heavily ties and capital implication. Scenario and stress testing. Expert-driven and frame scenario estimate losses where hydrocarbon data is first, cyber supplies collapse, regulatory shock. Control effectiveness or scoring. Redesigning and operating effectiveness to comfort, reduce risk, and prioritize remediation efforts. Combine score into a risk dashboard as tau explored by business line process and stability and enabling consistent decision making and capital planning. Developing a robust operational risk framework. A mature framework integrates governance policies and roles, tools, and culture. It aligns risk alert with business strategy and ensures accountability across the organization. Governance and accountability. Clear rules, bold shape appetite, risk commitment, overage policy. First line on control, second line monitor, trace the line audits. Policy standards, the document risk policy, control standard, and organization tests are practical and enforced. Tools and data included ingestion register, carry dashboard, and loss database to a single source at time. Culture and training. Regular training scenario results and over next mission revolving culture and choosing timely revolving and learning. MD condition improvement to get analysis and for industry review to update forces and controls. Mitigating operational risk, strategies and best practice. Effective mitigation combines precision, detection, and response practice, high impact control, and designing resilient forces and absorb shocks with minimal disruption. Design stroke the preemptive controls. Designing of dishes automate validation or hacknet or failure reduce or unfortunate failures. Detecting real-time monitoring, effective revolving anomaly detection, and same tools enable faster detection and containment of incidents and response and recovery. Incident valuable cars communication plan, backup, and trusted recovery codes reduce downtime and reputational damage. Third-party risk management, due diligence, contract as continuous monitoring and contingency plans on critical suppliers. Use automation to reduce manual touch points and apply consistent control monitoring post-status preventive regulatory responses based on emerging threats and business change. Case study, learning from operational failures. Real-world virus provided particulations, a single case study, learning from operational risk failures. Real-world failures provide critical lesson, a single uncut control gap and cases in major loss below and consistent automation case and the loss the text system outgain operation Polaris cause unpacked deployment flows upset rollback impact multi-day service outget and regulatory fitness lesson enforce change control uses rollback and multi-approach testing. Process failure, supply chain distribution, case single source supplier and weak contingency planning, impact inventory, process and loss revenue, lesson diversify supplies and maintain safety stock and control loss. Human error data. Cause, phishing, insufficient access controls impact data exports, dimension cost, customer some lesson, strong association, target training and less perfect access. As case highlights the same patterns, web presence, the slow detection, and operation activity impact build capacity across all three areas. Key takeaways now and next step for your organization. Operational risk as management well is defined early, measured constantly, and governed with clear accountability process and pragmatic program at the desk balance cost operational resilience and business agility. One established affected board approved updating and crash door crash enable consistent decision and timely execution. Build a single source of truth, centralized incident law and carries dashboard support trend analysis and resource preparation. Persisted in heat impact control, take percent will loss and probably contract automate traffic control and reduce human error. Test and improve conduct synchronous schedules, and regulate in the validity response and control.